Hi, my name is Oleg and I'm a product owner in navigation project at CARIAD. In my personal understanding, diversity is, first of all, a freedom of different ways of thinking, and when professionals with different mindsets are welcome in the team. And for sure, the way we think and work heavily depends on our native cultural background, on our previous experience, our language, and also lots of other factors. And as a result, in such team you have a great opportunity to see your goals and problems under really different angle of view, and therefore you can resolve issues and work on your goals in some new and unusual and sometimes more effective ways. First of all, I would start with your goal, because of programming language, it's just a tool. And if just for fun, you can start with any Python course. It's easy to learn and it'll bring lots of new thoughts. Or if you need to automate your reports in Excel, then Visual Basic will bring you to a new level, and you'll be really surprised how powerful it is. But anyway, I think that the most important benefit of learning how to program is that you start thinking in a more structured and algorithmic way. As a Russian, I'm quite direct and result-oriented, and sometimes I would say too direct. But you know, in some stormy situations when you need to deliver the product in a short time, it really helps. So you just give direct feedback to your colleagues, you receive direct feedback from them, and it speeds up everything dramatically, so you can just do it. In the navigation team we have colleagues from Germany. Yes, CARIAD is still a German company. And also from Japan, India, Russia, Poland, France, you know, from all over the world. And I think the more new thoughts and new ideas you have in a pot, the more opportunities you have, and you can achieve more as a team, but not only as a team. Because of personally, you can learn a lot from your colleagues, and I'm not talking about technical experience. I'm quite new in the team, but I already have lots of situations where I just realized after conversation with colleagues that I could do something in a really different way. And you know, it helps a lot to keep your eyes open.